Hey guys, wagwan, welcome back. Alright, so this rising the video is gonna be a little different. I'm taking you guys on the road with me, so we're going grocery shopping and all of that. You're gonna see how inside a Jamaican supermarket looks, how the Jamaican marketplace look, the farmers market, and all of that. So yeah, stay tuned. Gonna be a little different today. So big up, one love. Ooh la la la. Ooh la la. So we're there in the fish market now. Well, fish market slash farmers market. Get some fish and some produce. I'm getting the fish first. This is how the Jamaican farmers market look. Market. I'll buy some stuff from the woman here. She needs to buy from. Yeah man, I know. I want some rosemary too. Guys, what's up? I'm at the supermarket now. I'm gonna forget some destroyer. So ride along with me while I do my little grocery shopping. I need tissue too. What the hell? Wait, I can buy the 4-pack, right? Yeah. Buy the 4-pack scotch. Well, I said this of 4. Come on, yeah. So what else we need? Alright guys, so this is what inside a Jamaican supermarket look like. Not as fancy as the American ones, but it gets the job done. Alright, so this is Brunswick salmon, pink salmon. Alright guys, so this is it from this supermarket. I don't think I'm getting anything more from here. I just see, as you already seen, I get my meat already and everything. And then I'm about to go to our next wholesale. But it's not just a supermarket vibe. The wholesale I can't really see inside it or no. So yeah, stay tuned. Welcome guys, welcome back. We're on the Homestead again. So this rising, as I told you in the previous part of the video, we're gonna do the cooking and all of that. You saw me went to the supermarket and everything and to the farmers market. Now this rising we're just getting into a little homestead vibe, and then I'm gonna take you guys to the river and do the cooking by the river. So I'm have on the bucket list this rising is we just what call it? We just split open my jackfruit because a jackfruit season, jackfruit are coming in abundance you know, and you know it's so much that I have to go get the chicken them some of it. So that's the vibe this morning. I'm gonna eat a piece of jackfruit and then get the chicken them the rest because I have it enough guys. Whole heap of jackfruit there upon the tree them. So big up, one love, stay tuned. Alright guys, so this is the jackfruit that I just bust open. I eat that little piece there. And then I go Get the chickens them like most like guys. I'm gonna just eat one little piece more food now, and then get the chickens them the rest. Because as I say, I'm about to go straight to the river and cook. Look like the day is gonna be bright and sunny today, which is good. I was getting a little drizzle in the morning, not too long, but it looked like the day clear. So stay tuned. Alright guys. I'll give them some jackfruit. As I said before, it is jackfruit season. Jackfruit is coming in abundance right now, and I can't manage it like by myself. So yeah, them not get no feeding from morning, so I still have to give them the feeding on the side. I give an up close picture, up close shot of them. This is the tree that the jackfruit came off. Look, you see that? Loaded with jackfruit straight up to the top. Coming down on the tree. So this jackfruit actually fell off yesterday because it was raining. So I was inside the house and I'm here, boof! I'm gonna come up and say, yeah, jackfruit drop. So guys, I bought a cola yesterday. I'm about to just set up the bag when I bring to the river. And I can't bring all of the food. So I'm just going to take out what I need and, you know, pack up my... Yeah, go see what I go and stay tuned. Now we're going to put it in the pots. The pots in it. Going on an adventure, guys. I said before, the river is about 15 minutes walk from here, and yeah, so let's go. Alright guys, so I'm still on the property, still walking. I'm still gonna leave the farm yet. It's right over there, literally just clean over there. So, well, not me, I pay people for like clean up all of this. So I'm gonna plant some stuff over there. I'm not telling you yet, so stay tuned. When I'm doing the planting of the stuff, I'm gonna actually make a video on it. So I'm not spoil the surprise yet. So yeah, I'm about to leave the land now. I'm usually cut through one little shortcut to go to the river, because if I walk the right way on the road, boy, that'll take me like maybe 35 minutes total to reach the river. But when I take the shortcut, it takes like 15 minutes, like 12 to 15 minutes tops, you know. So yeah, shit. My day I start talking all of this, I know some left the bag with the coal stove. Yeah, now I have to go back feed. I know I have to hike back up the hill, guys. Jesus and peace, I don't know. Sometimes some things that mean I like, you see, boy. I tell you, see the roadway there. That's where I just have come from. But I never reached the bottom of the hill yet, you know. I literally live on the top of a hill. Alright guys, so finally get the bag. See the bag in my hand. The crocus bag with the coal stove and stuff. Guys, I will leave a walk me have to do, you know. Because the house is literally on the top of the hill. Like, yeah, I don't know if I can see, but the house is way up there, so. And then, I'm actually walking at the road now to go down to the bottom of the land, to exit the land. And the walk from the house to the bottom of the land is like 5 minutes. Yeah, 3 to 5 minutes, depending on how fast you walk. And I walk fast, so yeah, but it'll take me 3 minutes to reach the bottom. And I reached like 3/4 of the way a while ago when I remember say, shit, the bag with the coal and the coal stove, I never have it. I have to turn back and hike up the hill. As I tell you, it's a very steep slope. So I have to hike up back the hill. I will get back the coal bag and sitting. Oh boy. Coconut tree, they have some coconut on it. Yeah, some yellow coconut it there. Rotted apple are coming. Hey guys, apple are coming. I almost reached the bottom of the land. See the road there. You can see it from here, so I'm going to exit the dirt road and go up on the main road. Right there. Yeah. Whole heap of apple there, man. All the bird them eat out the apple them. Yeah. Bird eat that one there. We'll come pick apple. I'll have to do apple picking, guys. Pick that one, yeah. Bird did not eat it, but bird won't not poison. Under the apple tree, just mash up the apple before I move off. Welcome guys, welcome back. I'm at the river, finally reached. After 15 minutes walk up hill and gully. Yeah, finally reached river. I'm about to put on, well no, I'm about to share a little swig because I bring a little alcohol, a little rum and boom and thing. And yeah, I'll get straight into the video, but the fish have got out because the fish was frozen and certain little things. So it's a whole vibe. Stay tuned guys for the cooking and the everything. Alright guys, so these are the fish well frozen. So the thing is that I thought like before I reach the river. And some black snapper I buy at the market yesterday as I showed you. The Jamaican farmers market sell, you can get your beef, your fresh beef, the fresh pork. Yeah, every other meat they can get fresh except chicken. Them don't really have chicken at the market. You can easily get chicken in the supermarket or anywhere. But fresh fish and produce and like beef and them things there, you can get at the market in Jamaica. Well frozen. Alright guys, so in the meantime while all of that are going, while the fish are out, I just need the flour at some festival I make today. Them call it corn or festival in Jamaica. So yeah, I just need the festival in the meantime and get the show going. So these are the ingredients that I need so far. Flour, cornmeal, baking powder, and a little bit of sugar to make the festival then. First I'm going to add my flour. Then I'm going to put a decent amount of cornmeal in it. Put a nice amount of baking powder, well about a tablespoon. Yeah. We're going to add the sugar. All done and dusted. Okay, so we just done season up the fish. See it there, we'll add some black pepper, salt, all-purpose fish seasoning. I'm going to go and make it marinate now and then get on to the cooking. Alright, so it's all get up now and beat things. Now I'm going to pour myself a swig. When I say swig, I mean a drink, you know. I brought a little rum and a little boom to the river. Pour a little vibe by myself. Me I kick it with myself a little bit. You know the popcorn song there, guys? I kick it with himself a little bit. I think every man should know to kick it with themselves a little bit, guys. Every man need a little skill there. Enjoy your solitude, man. Why you have to go to a bar if you drink and feel good? You can buy a liquor and bring it to your yard and drink when you want and relax, watch some TV or something. You don't have to go to the public, but sit down and laugh and chat with strangers. Feel good. But I personally don't need to do that, you know. So all the people who feel like they need to go to the public, go drink and socialize to feel good, cool, you know. I like to socialize sometimes, you know, guys, no lie. Really like socialization, but the social battery run out quick, you know. quick time I'm gonna need to go recharge and things and stay to myself. But socialization is good, just not too much for me. Boom. Energy drink. You're gonna need the energy. Walk back up that hill there after the food done. Guys, it's a steep hill, me have to walk up, you know. Boy, it's crazy. But it's good for your leg muscles, them though. We get good exercise. Cheers. Alright guys, we're gonna add the fish in now. So the fish are doing thing. When it's finished, I'm gonna add the Escovitch sauce. But I'm gonna make the Escovitch sauce and then add it to the fish. And eat it to the fritters. Well, not fritters, festival, sorry guys. Alright guys, so the next fish here, I'm not gonna eat it right now, so there is a festival here. This is the Escovitch. Escovitch. But still hot. So I'm gonna drop it. Bring home, this has to eat now. This is what the meal look like by the riverside. Alright guys, moment of truth. The food here. Yeah, we have a four festival tonight. We had one fish. We have one more fish left back to bring home. Yeah. And the Escovitch sauce well left on the fish and thing. so good. Guys, if you want to hear me not talk, it means that the food is super good. I swear to you, when food good, me just dive in. Me nobody say nothing. So that's one way I know to the food good. If me a chat too much, it means that the food are good.